Have you noticed this? The same 1,000 rupees that felt enough a few years ago now feels like nothing. Your salary increased, but your life didn't get cheaper. This is not your imagination, and it's not your fault. Let's go back just 10 years. With 500 rupees, you could fill a grocery bag. Today, that same 500 rupees barely covers a few items. Tea, petrol, rent, vegetables, school fees. Everything quietly became expensive. But no one sat you down and explained why. We were told, work hard, earn more, you'll be fine. So you did. You studied, you got a job, you got increments, yet every month, the money disappears faster. Because the problem isn't how hard you work. The problem is how money itself works. This invisible force is called inflation. Inflation means, over time, money loses its purchasing power. In simple words, your money is slowly shrinking, silently. Governments print more money, demand increases, prices rise. But here's the twist. Your salary grows slowly. Prices grow constantly. So even if you get a 10% raise, if inflation is 7 to 8%, your real growth is almost zero. That's why you feel stuck. Now listen carefully. Inflation doesn't hurt everyone equally. People who only save money suffer. People who own assets survive. That's why the rich buy. Businesses, real estate stocks, gold. Because assets grow faster than inflation. While most people keep money in savings accounts, watching it quietly lose value every year. So the truth is this. You're not bad with money. The system was never designed to protect your savings. Money is not meant to be stored. It's meant to be used intelligently. If you don't make your money grow, inflation will make sure it shrinks. And once you understand this, you stop blaming yourself and start playing the game smarter. This is why money feels less every year. Follow the Insight Lab to understand how the world really works.